All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So guess what? We got some more of these Michael's $10 grab bag boxes. I did get another total of 4 of them. So this is our first one in this set of 4. These can have Christmas, they can have Valentine's in them. So not really sure because I was surprised on the last ones. So, but yeah, we'll go ahead and get this opened and check and see what we got in these ones. And these are from a different Michael's. I did go to a different Michael's to get these, so we'll see what different stuff we got in this one versus the other Michael's that I got the other ones from. Oh, can definitely smell the pine cones. All right, so it looks like we got a little 12-inch wreath. That's kind of cute. And then we got some ribbon. And if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I did get a whole lot of ribbon in one of them, the other boxes too. This one is 2.5-inch ribbon by 20 feet, and this one retails for $12.99. So it actually feels like it is plastic. That's actually kind of cool. It's clear. It's like a see-through type one. And then, oh, it wouldn't be Michael's if we didn't have one of the trucks with the trees in them. I do have quite a bit of these. And then we got a candy striped one. And then I think I did get this in one of my other boxes. I believe I got that same design. And if you guys see, this one retails for $24.99. So, I mean, $10 for these boxes, it's well worth it. And it looks like we got some cookie cutters. We got a snowflake and a snowman, Christmas tree, gingerbread man. So that's it on these metal ones. It looks like we got some of the push ones. So we got a little angel and a snowflake. These are super cute. And then we got a wreath sash. This is cute. And this one retails for $14.99. Oh, we got a little peanut butter nutcracker that looks like a little elf. This is cute. And then we got some garland that has this one with the little holly leaves and berries on it. And this one retails for $14.99. And we got some more ribbon. This is like a crocheted looking one. This one retails for $19.99. It's 3.5 inches by 15 feet. Very retro, old school Christmas. And then we got some more ribbon. We got some of these designs. We got, I think this one says Merry Christmas. And then, oh, a jumbo eraser. I think we had that in one of the other ones. Not this one, but a different one. And then it looks like we got some more cookie cutters. We got a little gingerbread house and a Santa Claus. And, oh, is this a candle? It is a candle. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a candle. There, oh, this retails for take that back, $19.99. That's kind of cool. Oh, and another eraser. And then, oh, we got these. If you guys haven't, like, these are a big time craft for cricketers, you know, to always, you know, cut this out with the Cricut and put them on the little globes. So this makes it look like a little Santa cam. This is kind of cute. We got a bust of Santa Claus here. Oh, and he retails for $24.99. This is kind of cute. I actually like this. And then it looks like we got another holly and berries garland. Oops. This is cute. And then, oh, it wouldn't be Michael's if we didn't have the scented pine cones. And I got 2 bags of them. Oh yeah, some nice cinnamon. Yeah, but this is the only problem with them. Oh, and I did get one of these in one of my other Christmas boxes. I believe we might have, I don't know if we got the Christmas, I don't think we got a Christmas tree one. But we did get this one in one of the other boxes. But then I also got this Christmas tree one that you can paint. Oh, what is this? This is kind of cute. It's a little Santa Claus letter that you can paint. That's kind of cute. And then it looks like we got a hoop wreath kit. That's cute too. And I believe that's it, guys. That's it for this box. So all in all these boxes that I've opened for 10 bucks have all been completely worth it. I mean, you're definitely getting your money's worth for $10 for sure. I mean, if everybody knows Michael's, even with the coupons off of the regular price, you're still making out on these. So, but yeah, guys, I appreciate all you guys watching, and I appreciate all the new subscribers, and thanks guys for helping us hit 100 subs. I'm actually over that at this point, so I appreciate every one of you guys for subscribing, sharing, and liking, and keep on, guys. I appreciate all of it. Bye.